I'm certain that you have all seen this picture because it has been circulating all over social media, including here on YouTube, and that is exactly what I want us to talk about on this video, so stay tuned. But before going to the video, I need to first request you guys to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos, so enjoy this video. Ladies and gentlemen, Chef Xolani just paid lobola for Vuyokazi, and the way things are happening, I think I'm agreeing with people who are saying that this is just for content. There's nothing happening between Xolani and Vuyo. If you guys could remember when this relationship started to spread, drama also started with Chef Xolani's baby mama spilling the beans about Xolani's behavior. Are you guys telling me that Vuyo just forgot about all of that and still decided to marry the guy? Well, I don't think she would do that. Now, what got me so convinced that this relationship does not exist, I knew that Vuyo and Chef Xolani have never met. Meaning that their relationship started on social media and is still on social media as we speak. Rumors are they've never had a proper conversation, never kissed, and never shared a forbidden fruit. Imagine! Hey, but first, I am a guy, and most guys will agree with me on this one. Guys are very much sensitive and cautious. I'm speaking on behalf of every guy when saying that there's no guy who would ever pay lobola for a girl that he has never met. Okay, let me say it's rare because it does happen sometimes, but it's rare. As for marrying a girl with 2 kids from the same baby daddy, I know I'm not gating, but this is giving funny vibes already. So I don't know about you guys, but I think this is for content, and if it's not for content, then there's definitely something that Xolani is hoping to gain from Vuyo. For instance, if you could compare Xolani's Instagram from back when she posted Vuyo for the first time to now, you can tell that he has gained a lot of followers, and I'm sure that his business is generating a lot of clients. But hey, I am just a YouTuber with just 10 views sharing his own opinion. So ladies and gentlemen, do also share your thoughts and opinions with regards to this topic in the comment section. And if you enjoy the content on this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So with all of that being said, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.